In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put HTML email on Kit. We're going to walk through how to take your own custom HTML and turn it into a reusable email template inside the Kit interface. If you already have a designed email from a coder or a previous campaign, and you'd like to use it in Kit instead of starting from a drag-and-drop layout, this process is exactly what you need. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account and you're in the main dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Send. Go ahead and click on Send, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Email Templates. This is where all of your reusable email designs live. Once you're on the Email Templates page, you'll see any templates you've already created, along with options to make new ones. To bring in your HTML, click the button that says Plus New Email Template. This tells Kit that you want to create a brand new template instead of editing an existing one. When the new template window opens, you'll see a library of layout options. These are the pre-built designs you can customize. For this tutorial, we're going to bypass those and use your own code instead. Scroll down to the bottom of the template library and select the option called Import Code. This switches the editor from the Visual Builder to an HTML editor. Now you should see a large text area where you can paste your HTML. Open your HTML file from wherever you have it saved, copy all of the code, and paste it directly into the HTML editor in Kit. There are two important things to check before you move on. Your HTML must include the liquid tag for message content, written as double curly braces, message underscore content, double curly braces, and the liquid tag for the footer, written as double curly braces footer, double curly braces. These tags are what allow Kit to inject the actual email body and the mandatory unsubscribe information into your template. If either of these is missing, your email may not send correctly or could fail compliance checks. So take a moment to confirm both tags are in the right place in your code. Once your code looks good and those tags are present, you're ready to save. Click on Save, then give your template a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later when you're building campaigns. That's all you need to put an HTML email on Kit using the current interface.